Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the customer support team for Kroger. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kroger.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kroger website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and password by clicking on the login button at the top right corner. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken back into the homepage. Now from here, in order to email the support team, scroll all the way down from the page and underneath customer service you will see the contact us button. Go ahead and click on it and you can either use the chat feature or you can also use the customer comments section in order to email the support team. Click on customer comments in order to proceed with the email function. Now you may choose your contact method by email or your phone number if you wish to do so. Then just fill up your first and your last name followed by your email address that you use for your account. Confirm this email address once again by typing it in and then enter any loyalty ID or your alt ID number if you have it. You can also enter your phone number within this section. Now within the how can we help section, just choose your topic from the drop down menu and you may also choose other if it is not listed within the section. Then enter your postal code or your city and your state. And then within the comment section you can type in the issue that you are facing. Just type in as many details as you can include and you may also provide the purchasing information if you wish to do so. Finally, click on the submit button and your email will now be sent to the Kroger support team. Once they have received your email, you will receive a response within a few business days by the contact method that you have chosen. Within this response, you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to solve your issue. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the Kroger support team by email. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.